air temperature was 69. The wind was southwest at 9 knots. Cape Henry, air temperature was 69. The wind was southwest at 10 knots. Brandywine Shoal Lake, Delaware, winds were north, 10 knots. Fenwick Island buoy, air temperature was 51. Wave height 3 feet. Wave period 6. The wind was northwest at 12 knots. Buoy off Virginia Beach 64 nautical miles, winds were southwest, 12 knots. This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Here are the marine and buoy reports for 11 a.m.